walk through. See if I can catch something. Pretty shallow. Tire him out a little bit. Nice little fish. Alright. First fish. Nice little fish on the jig. No skunk. I'll take that. Nice solid fish too. See if I can catch a limit fast. I can. Hopefully. Let's see. It's a small little net. Very lively. You power bait and using power bait? Okay. Little small one. Let's see if I can get him out right. Oh. Alright. Fish number 2. A little smaller one. Popped right off. Not bad. Alright. How many more have to go? 2 fish on board. Baitcaster. It might be under that dock too. Wasn't recording again. Caught this one at the dock. Nice solid one. Fish number 3. 2 more and call it a day. Let everyone else fish. Technically, if I want to weigh this in, I have till 10 o'clock. Weigh-in's at 10. They're back there.
We need to bring a
Damn near, dude. Yeah, if anybody catches one, through the net, should have brought it over here. They stacked back there, man.
How many have you caught?
3.
I've caught 0.
Yeah, you'll catch one, dude. Got skunked too many times to count. I had to let it sink for a minute too. So I'm pretty much skipping under these little docks they have around me. There's like a main auditorium type dock. Give yourself a little slack like that. Not too much, not too little. And just skip it under. Takes practice. It's kind of hard because pole's a little long. Well, never recording that I caught one.
Oh, you wasn't recording earlier?
No. Even when I caught that big one, I wasn't recording. Fish number 4.
Hey,
One more and
you
I'm
don't turn
done.
it on, you might catch it again.
Right? Who knows? Well, fish number 4. Forgot to record again. Typical. I always forget. Don't do that, LD. Alright. Fish number 4. One more. And I guess I'll do the weigh-in. Try it, at least. He popped off. Yeah, that's why I don't run 2 pound. That's why I don't run 2 pound or 4. They might be coming out because of the sun. Hopefully they're coming out because of the sun, man. Hopefully.